Hey guys, so I just bought a external expansion drive, and I want to enable BitLocker on it. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it and do a quick walkthrough on how to get this drive encrypted. All right, let me connect a USB cable. And then that's a USB 3.0 cable, actually, super speed. And then let me connect the power to it. So it should be showing up here very shortly once it spins up. Alright, there it is. And so got a couple files on it, what have you. There it is. Looks like 16.3 terabytes usable. So I believe it's an 18 terabyte total capacity, but it's only got 16 free. So I want to right click here, navigate to turn on BitLocker. Bring the window over here, so that's gonna initialize, and then it wants a password to encrypt it, and we have the password here. I don't know what particular password you want to use for this, or how long you want to make it. That's entirely up to you. But I've got mine set up, so that's why you see it the way it is. Click next, and we want to save it to a file, and we can actually print the recovery key also. So we'll save the recovery key. Yeah, that's fine. And then we will also print the recovery key. Perfect. And then click next. Alright, so this part here specifies how much you want to encrypt the drives. I think you can encrypt the entire drive, or you can encrypt what's been used, I believe. So let's see here. Yeah, so if this is on a new drive, you can only encrypt what's been used, and then as you add stuff to it, BitLocker will automatically encrypt those files and folders. If you already had something on here, and you were already using the drive, but it wasn't encrypted before, they recommend that you go ahead and encrypt the entire drive. So let's see here. Since this is a new drive, we're not too much concerned with what's already on there. And if you want this to work faster, you just encrypt the used space, which is what we'll do. Let's see. So we have different types of encryption methods. Windows 10 introduced XTS AES. It's newer, but it doesn't look like it's backwards compatible. So If you do try to connect it to an older Windows file system, it may not read it. But if you're only going to be connecting it to Windows 10 and above systems, then you can use the newer encryption. Let's go ahead and choose compatibility mode. Only reason I'm saying this is because sometimes I might connect it to a non-Windows system, and I might want it to read like a Linux box or something. So cool. So you'll be able to unlock this drive with the password. Encryption takes a while, and just wait for it to finish so that you are protected. So we will start the encryption process here. And we've got a little pop-up. It's already at 99%. Well, that's because we only had a few things on there. So now it is encrypted. Basically we can go to manage BitLocker. The OS is off. This drive is off, but this one does have it on, which is one disconnected. You can back up the recovery key, you can change the password, remove the password, and turn it off. But as of right now, that is it. We are in. We can create a new file, and that file is encrypted, and then we can delete it if we need to, and it's gone. So just wanted to do a quick walkthrough on that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Take care. Bye.